The 27th Hong Kong Book Fair, held by Hong Kong Trade Development Council, has attracted a record-breaking 640 exhibitors from 35 countries and regions. In order to attract more citizens, all exhibitors made great efforts on exhibitions designing and theme. Three of the big publishing companies have fierce competition on this issue. Chunhua Book Co. Limited made the feature of classic book Hong Kong Tea House in the designing. Except the decorative pattern, they also decorate the stand with movie posters from 16th and birdcage, which are all the symbolic pattern in old Hong Kong. Joint publishing choose like is a marathon as their slogan, promoting the idea of self-transcendence via theme posters. The Commercial Press Limited make their booths like a forest. Publishers hope their different expressions about book and culture can develop people's passion on reading.